and by overlaying the thin layers, that'll build up a depth of tone for us. Just gave the board a coating of water with the water spray, just because I found that the paint wasn't flowing quite as smoothly as I wanted. It's perhaps gone a little bit too watery now, but we can live with that. I think it's as I said, this is just the first layer. Next I'm going to add a layer of mid-tone, and I've created this with some permanent alizarin. I think that's how you pronounce it. First time I've used this colour, I think. Possibly only the second. I just bought this paint fairly recently. And that's mixed in with the burnt umber. And so my plan is to add some regions of deeper shadow, and keeping the areas where the light is falling on the animal, just allow that first layer of paint to show through, at least for the moment. So we're really just blocking in shapes of darkness here. And the trick is to try not to be lured in by too much detail, because it's very tempting to draw in a nostril or an eye at this stage. But generally speaking, I would recommend not doing that just yet. So I'm quite enjoying this this colour that I've got mixed up here. So I'm going to use that to put in a cast shadow. Just putting on the paint kind of thin, moving the brush around a lot to begin to suggest, you know, there's some grass that the bull is wandering through. And then we'll put in a loose and fluffy horizon line as well. So we're still going with the same brush here, but now I've mixed in some of the red that I was using earlier and I've added in some ultramarine blue. And so my plan here is to coat most of the animal with this one colour fairly thinly. Now I've just sprayed the surface of the painting again with water, and I must confess I hadn't actually thought that through quite as carefully as I might. Because I'm using the interactive acrylics, I think my brain switched to conventional acrylic thinking. So we're going to get some of those underlayers moving around, which is not necessarily a bad thing now that I've remembered that that's the case, but It wasn't quite what I was planning to do, but we'll press on. I think it will work out fine.